Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download Canva animated PPT. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your Canva design. Make sure you have applied animations. Okay, now just go over here on top right corner and click on share. Now select download. Now under file type, click on this drop down arrow and select MP4 video. Note this method will preserve the animations, but you won't be able to further edit in PowerPoint. Now, just click on download. As you can see, the result. That's it for the video. That's how you can download your PPT with animations. Thanks for watching.